brothers and sisters, let me present you my latest Rolex timepiece. This is a unique piece or rare piece for me because the dial and the bezel is blue, the bezel is ceramic, or we can say that there is a ceramic insert in the gold bezel ring because this is a two-tone piece with stainless steel and yellow gold, 18 karat yellow gold. As you may know, in the box we find a stamp, and here in the little pocket you will find some warranty manual, the warranty card, and some instructions. But let's see the watch. So as you may know, the blue dialed version, especially the Sunburst blue dial, is really unique at the Rolex collection because there is another Submariner with blue dial, but that is with the white gold case and bracelet, and that's all. And this is the other blue Submariner with this cool two-tone face and bracelet with ceramic insert in the bezel, what is an 18 karat gold bezel, of course, and there is inner links on the bracelet and the clasps made from 18 karat yellow gold too, and of course the crown is yellow gold too. The bezel sounds like a Submariner bezel. This is very cool and very perfect, and for me the yellow gold and the blue bezel and the blue dial matching and working perfectly. This is one of the two-tone pieces I like a lot, and maybe this is one of the nicest two-tone combination, color combination at the Rolex catalog with yellow gold as stainless steel. The crown, of course, working like a perfect Rolex crown, screw-in crown, of course. There you see the rubber rings. If we move in this position the crown, we can wind the watch with 2 clicks. We can manipulate the time, and 1 click will rotate the date disc, of course, and we can screw it back. That's kind of easy. The watch is from 2018, never polished. You can see little micro scratches on the gold parts because the highly polished yellow gold is really a scratch magnet. You cannot avoid scratching that. Even your finger or claws will scratch that, but I guess it shouldn't disturb you because this is the way it is. And by the way, it's not really seeable if you are not looking from too close in the too bright sunshine. Of course, we have got here the glide lock system, the quick setting function. So because of this is a Submariner, you can set the bracelet length in this quick way. So this is it. Let me show you a lume with a little green touch, some kind of sapphire color or jade. So this is blue, but a unique shade of blue, and of course super strong lume, as most of the how it looks like on the wrist. Thank you for watching and see you later.